Hey, it's Evan with 4Patriots coming to you from 25 years in the future. And even now, the food in these pouches is still fresh. So this 4Patriots survival food really does stay fresh for up to 25 years. That's insane. So I wanted to take you behind the scenes into the way 4Patriots prepares survival food and show you how the science behind their Mylar packaging really works. But first, let's talk about the factors that affect food spoilage: air, light, and moisture. Air causes oxidation, a chain reaction that produces undesirable changes in color, flavor, and nutrient content. When fats in foods become rancid, oxidation could be responsible, making your food taste and smell awful. Light exposure causes a chemical reaction that affects specific components in foods such as pigments, vitamins, fats, and proteins. Absorption of light can cause food to develop some undesirable flavors, and it can also cause vitamin loss. Moisture allows microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, and molds to feed on your food, a process that can make your food deadly. To remove moisture, some manufacturers use a rapid dehydration method. It's fast and cheap, but it also removes nutrients and flavor. 4Patriots uses a low heat dehydration. This process takes longer, but it helps keep the flavor and nutrition locked in. Once the moisture is removed, the food is put into Mylar pouches. Mylar is tough, lightweight, and so strong that NASA uses it in their spacesuits to keep astronauts safe in outer space. The 4Patriots Mylar film structure consists of 3 layers: one sheet for bag strength, a plastic aluminum layer designed for long-term food storage, and a final sheet to help prevent punctures. This high-tech material helps protect your food against air, light, and moisture. Then, a high-capacity oxygen absorber sucks out any excess air, which is key in sealing in your food's ultra-long shelf life. The pouch is then sealed to keep it airtight and fresh for up to 25 years. Thanks for watching this video on the science behind the 4Patriots food packaging. The folks behind the food here are really proud of what they do, and we wanted to share some of the amazing things they've been able to accomplish. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.